Salam. Hello. Today I'm going to explain how to find first and second and third derivatives of this function. This is expression, let's say. So we have square x over s square a plus square y over square b equals 1. To find the first derivative, I used theorem 8, formula for implicit differentiation. I made it equal to 0. I wrote square x over square a plus square y over square b minus 1 equals 0. It will be a new function of it will be a function of two variable. It will be a two variable function. So it will be f of x and y. So according to theorem 8, the formula for implicit differentiation, we need to find partial derivatives of this function with respect to its parameters, variables. So first, let's find the partial derivative of f of this new function with respect to x. It will be 2x over square a. Fy, it will be the partial derivative of f with respect to y, which will be 2y over square b. So according to this theorem, we need to divide fx over fy, then we need to put minus. So it will be, as you can see, I have removed these twos. It will be minus x multiplied by square b over y multiplied by square a. So our y itself equals b over a multiplied by square root of square a minus square x. Now we are going to put the value of y here. So the first derivative will be minus b multiplied by x over a multiplied by square root of square a minus square x. So we solved the first derivative. But for the second and the third derivatives, we are going to use, I used traditional methods. So it will be, the second derivative will be minus b over a multiplied by, let me tell you the final result. It will be minus ba over square root of square a minus square x to the power of 3. So in other words, it will be square a minus square x to the power of 3 over 2. Now let's solve the third derivative. It will be minus 3x multiplied by square root of a square a minus square x multiplied by ba over cubic square a minus square x. So to find this result, I also use traditional method. I again use the traditional method. I wrote square a minus square x to the power of 3 in the denominator. Then I wrote minus ba, not minus ba. Then I wrote 3 over 2 multiplied by square root of square a minus square x multiplied by minus 2x. We remove these twos, then we get this result that I previously mentioned. So thank you for watching and listening.